Let's stop pop-up ads on your Android phone. Now, the first thing we'll do is go into Google Chrome. This is most likely a big culprit for you. We can stop all of those pop-ups in addition to notifications by getting into the settings and then going to specifically the site settings. Now, I would highly recommend turning off notifications. This could be one option where something is popping up, but that's not the only thing I would turn off. I would also go down to the bottom here and you'll be able to see block pop-ups and redirects. All you need to do is, if you turn that on, it will allow it. So turn this off to prevent pop-ups. However, let's make sure apps are not popping up too. To do that, let's get into your settings. Open up these settings here and we'll go to apps. At the very top right, we can go to special access. And now you'll be able to see appear on top. This will allow an app to appear on top of another app, aka creating a pop-up for you. On any of these, if you see a pop-up for them, you can just completely disable its ability to pop up. So just go through this list, maybe turn them all off if you don't want them to pop up when you're playing a game or you're seeing another app.